angazi maybe khona into engishilo angayishona ngazi engishoda ukuyisho.
I know we get you. I like the mentality yakho ukuthi you manage as a company ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi ni-venture into new thing, because gaming is actually something fun abantu abayithandayo and all of that, because now there's competitions gaming and all of that, you understand? Now you are venturing into another venture ukuthi nayo it's actually existing in a career. It's actually a career for other people, because kunabantwana owazi ukuthi we are in gaming and he's winning competitions in gaming, you understand? So now you are bringing back Leonto Ekas, you know what, we can actually do it. I like that point, you understand? So that's what I actually got to. Okay, now see so venture to any to now, you understand? Which is something in Itanda, which okay, you know what, as Ubatel Uti it's an actually association between the NPC, Nelontuzan and Foreign Affairs. So that's an association, guys, I understand. Which is quite see prefer bantu forex and actually tell people there's more to what we are doing more than Ilontuzan, I understand. And then another thing, Mafetu, is that there's a price list and all of that. So, because eventually equipment, I see a problem in Gucci. Maybe there's a lack of equipment and all of that. Because without the resources, the company cannot go forward. You understand? So we need those resources, which is what 70% of the money and all of that. You understand? And in this game, it's actually a business, which is I like about the thing, Gucci. You are business minded, we are okay, you know what, as a chairperson, I'm thinking of this and this in Kalipans and was Niboni vision and going forward.
And maybe like no monument they was also standing like we've had meetings. And then like CSI Zama, then to Taban Baze Mahala, and then try buy food for people, and then it wasn't profitable. Magazine and like the Xbox or YouTube. So if you buy that, maybe they like value the so and then it will also help the company grow.
Okay, so as Nizwa, what's the plan going forward? There's a lot of things the foreign affairs. We would like to support we would like to support you. Just tune in and then ni Pelama prize list and then contact the number and then you can find them as a foreign affairs and then they can actually brief you about prize list and more. You understand? So for more information, you can contact Nurena and contact the number when we get on. Understand? So
okay, so guys, and sometimes you might not maybe find me or what. My number is foreign affairs. It's 069 303 0734. 069 303 0734.
So contact Leo number and then you can actually go for Ilontuzan Association for Foreign Affairs in XM, because eventually it's easier for you to access XM if you are around the Foreign Affairs, you understand? So for you to actually get more information, contact that number and just actually contact them because we want money, but the imali is later. We need to be innovative. We need to be innovative thinkers. Which is as inches of Tolimali, understand? So that's what's important. So we're going to start manje and then singitshele nangama-gold analysis ukuthi kahle le long term trading ye-gold izobihamba kanjani, because eventually makubhekwa ama-analysis we see strong buy in the long run ukuthi kahle i-gold is actually going up to a certain percentage or to that certain high point, you understand? So if you touch trade yako right now, you can actually benefit in the long run. So nje yiloko nje okubalekile namhlanje. So Mr. Renner, bengithi nje sibakhombise about the account and all of that.
Asicale nge-account
Yeah.
and then siyazi mase singena ku-gold
And then we
ube nawe nje
sesiyibona bayibone nayo ukuthi analyze kanjani.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Bafethu, so here we are doing identity verification, account XM. So there was already account besengivulile. So now we are about to do a verification account, I understand. So that's what we are actually going to do namhlanje. And then okuningi nje bafethu nizozibonela, and then if you wanna ask a question, comment lapho phansi kuma comments and actually tell us ukuthi kahle kahle yini into ongathanda ukuthi ishintshe, yini into ongathanda ukuthi siyenze from now going forward, you understand. So yeah, today sizo verify nje umfethu njoba saphumile kancane ezinibona bafethu. This is the website XM. So account, you just click here and say create an account, and then as you go izokuvezela lapha ukuthi XM get ready, and then iyakuvezela with that 100% profit. So don't forget ukuthi there's a bonus up to $500. So yeah, so if uzologa in for a first time trader, you'll start here. And then ufaka my details akho, and then actually enter email yakho and create a password for you ukuze ukwazi uvule XM account, you understand. So if you already trading and you already have my login details, you just go in here login as you want, allow login, and then market login, you put on my login details wakho, and then from there you can actually get in account yakho and see ukuthi active kanjani. So for me now, because I've already had an account, we'll just say login, and then as you can see,
disconnect.
All right, no problem. But yeah, I think it's a selected one. But then mase sidinga, so there's ilontuzane ezimbona bafethu na ama login details and all of that. So I'm about to click and then enter to the account yam. So yeah, Mr. Rena, let's just log in and see which kenzakalani, and then we can actually take it from there. And then there's it. Okay.
And relative foreign affairs is one on the Excel.
Yeah, there is it.
It's confirm as well.
All right. So now verification.
Then now you see verify your account to claim your $30.
Yeah.
No deposit. So I think ukufaka imali uzoyithola this 550 without ukufaka like any money. So I just wanna log in here just to show. So this is also the website of XM. So if you want to promote XM as well, we'll leave the link. Like if you want to associate and partner with XM. So as you can see, this is XM Partners. So it's password.
So as in Bona, foreign affairs is working hand in hand in XM. It's not something by claim or anything like that. So that's what I like about that. So that's why Namibuge is putting that information here, $30 and all of that. So that's what's important. So today, how evident is that? You understand? Because as was nikwazi kumthemba, and then maniza like ngicela nize nazi indaba zenu. If uzoza la ekhaya ungekho serious, I don't think they will take you serious, you understand? Because eventually sitting abantu aba serious about whatever abafuna ukuyenza. If you serious mhlawumbe, if uzela ama game, you can come for ama game sharp. But yeah, baby man abhadalela ukudlala once. But then but preferably most abantu esiba expectile are people who are actually interested in forex, abantu abafuna ukutrader as long term traders, as short term traders, ama-gambler guys. Okay, ama-gambler sizowafaka nje ku-Betway.
NFT.
Yeah, I think i-Betway nje yabo. So nje that's another venture nje sokhuluma ngayo. Mhlawumbe next time on the next episode